Hey, it's Rue. In this video, we will be making the Lychee Martini. Are you ready to make this drink with me? Let's get started. To make this drink, we need to gather these ingredients. Vodka, I have here, hair 1. Dry vermouth, I have here, Dolan. And lychee, 3 items. It's tool time. Let's go grab them. Ice, a shaker, a martini glass, a jigger, and a cocktail pick. First step, what we're going to do is chill our glass. Set the glass aside. Pour 2 ounces of lychee syrup into the shaker. Now grab your dry vermouth. Pour ½ ounce of dry vermouth into the shaker. Grab your vodka. Pour 1½ ounce of vodka into the shaker. Add ice. Close the lid and shake your drink. Empty the ice and water in this glass. Pour your drink. And the last step is to garnish with lychee. And there you go, my friends, the Lychee Martini. Cheers.
If you want to learn how to make more cocktail drinks from home, subscribe and hit that bell button so you don't miss an episode. Comment below if there's a drink you would like to see next.